There's a way to wonder the dead eye for your happy grow, and the one eye on the sorrows. I'm gonna set up for the start of the day. Rina. For this video guys. Ito guys, for this video, nandito ako sa screen ninyo guys. Buti pa sana may subscribers ako guys. Kaya, subscribe mo na kasi ako dun sa YouTube. Please na. Please naman. Dapat nakahit ako ng 100 million subscribers. So, bye-bye guys!